Howdy folks, Nathan coming at you at the 2018 Chicago Auto Show. And I'm in the Nissan Pavilion, and behind me is a Nissan Titan, but it's not just a regular Titan. Could you tell everybody who you are and what we're looking at?
I'm Thiago Castro, Director of Trucks and Commercial Vehicles for Nissan North America. And what we're looking at is a Titan XD with a Cummins diesel engine that we have upfitted with several different accessories. Okay, we try to get accessories from the aftermarket companies as well as genuine Nissan accessories. But the key point that we're trying to show today is a new Icon performance suspension 3-inch lift kit.
And that's what this truck has right now.
It has it right now, and we're actually pretty proud of this system. We worked with Icon to develop this system and be able to offer something that doesn't require any drilling. It basically bolts on into the truck. It takes a third of the time to install. You know, it's something that is produced here in the US, just like our truck is produced in Mississippi, Canton, Mississippi. And then finally, something that we can maintain our 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty.
So you heard it here first, folks. This lift is warranted, which is great. Now, Icon is a separate company from Nissan.
Yes.
So they're giving you the parts and you can order them online? Is that how it works?
So the way it works is it's going to be a dealer-installed accessory. So if you arrive at Nissan dealer in this spring, you'll be able to buy this Icon system. The dealer would then install for the customer and they can drive out of our dealership.
That's really cool. What else is on this truck that's available?
Well, there's a lot of other features. There's a few aftermarket components, others that are accessories available at the dealer. So I'll show you some new ones.
Great.
So for example, this roll bar, this sports bar right here with the Titan name, that's actually just launching in our dealership across the nation. It's an affiliate program that we're selling. We also have this EGR
the step?
Nice step right here.
Yeah,
it's also very cool. Unique. We have obviously a genuine Nissan accessory, but this is another example. And a few other things you can buy here.
That's great. So this truck, basically, as I'm looking at it, has that lift. So someone could technically buy a Titan and make it look like this.
You can convert the truck to make it look like this, correct.
That's very cool. All right, what else do you have around here?
Let's see the back. So,
there's
a Nissan, there's a
that.
party going on here. So this is the XD with a Cummins diesel engine. So we're really proud of our bed. First, you got the gooseneck that comes as standard from the factory.
Right.
So you don't have to upfit. But our Utilitrack system is very unique at Nissan. Most of our competitors do have on the side the Utilitrack systems. We also have in the bottom right here. So imagine if you have a motorcycle or a bicycle, whatever you want. You put it up front, you can tie it up nice and easily down to the floor and tie it up. So it's a really good system. Here we also installed a few aftermarket components from Rockford Fosgate. You see these really cool speakers.
Yeah.
So imagine if you're having a party or tailgate, you got quite a nice system.
That is really cool. I'm going to see if Roman lets us do that to our next truck.
Okay.
That's great. So let's see, what else is here in this pavilion? Is there anything else you could show us?
Well, absolutely. We have two project vehicles. We were trying to demonstrate Armada, first of all. We have a Snow Patrol Armada. The Snow Patrol Armada, what it's telling us is it's a concept, or I would say a project vehicle that we used aftermarket components to make Armada, one, look very cool, as you can tell, but number two, to demonstrate what it really is. It's a perfect family adventure vehicle, right? So Armada drives like a luxury sedan. If you ever drove, have you driven?
Yes, I have.
So if you drive an Armada, it's a luxury sedan. However, it has off-road capability like no other because of its heritage with a Nissan Patrol.
Right.
It's a vehicle that we sell outside of the US. And then finally, it can tow up to 8,500 pounds. 8,500 pounds. So our play right here was to actually, instead of having snowmobiles, we made a 370Z Roadster as a snowmobile. And the Armada was towing. So our press kit, if you get it, has a beautiful pictures of Armada towing this vehicle in Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
Yeah, we were fortunate to put that up on TFL Car and TFL Truck. So check out those websites for that. So it looks like a lot of the components that are on here are aftermarket that you can buy and simply bolt on.
Correct. You could theoretically make this. We have very unique seats, so we had a different company doing it, but I guess you can do that if you want. Basically the trim of the seats.
Yeah, I see. Okay. And what is that over there, over your shoulder? That looks like a Titan with a snowplow.
Check out that Titan. This is in this case, a XD. We offer both XD and a half-ton single cab. This one we have a snow plow available. We worked with aftermarket companies to develop this. We made this available this winter for Titan. So today, if you buy a 2018 Titan XD, you can actually put a snow plow in it with a special package that comes for this vehicle.
Probably with this suspension upgrades.
Exactly. There's a suspension upgrade, a Gower package we call.
Ah, I see. And this system, is it available for the half-ton or just the XD?
On the XD gas,
because it's got that heavy
yes,
duty, yeah.
Exactly.
Now, amongst all the picks here, this is one of my favorites, and the reason why is both Andre and I are really into RVs, outdoors. I prefer fishing, he prefers sinking boats, but this is the 2018 NV. It's also known as the NV camper van, and it's from Recon Campers. They're based in Los Angeles. This van is able to hold up to 4 people, really 2 adults and 2 children, but it has a full sink, a kitchen, small, and basically it is a Nissan NV with that. Pretty cool, right? So one of my picks is this big boy right here, and the reason why isn't so much the fact that it represents the modern AT-AT that's in The Last Jedi. No. It's because just the way it is right now, I'd love to drive this thing on the street. Could you imagine the way traffic would just move aside for you? My kid likes Star Wars too, and frankly so do I. And this whole pavilion has a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff. Nissan was genius to tie into Star Wars. Good for them. I only wish they'd let us drive these. There's been a lot at this pavilion. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it.
Good to see you. Thank you.
See you guys next time.